You know, just when you think something should be simple, well, not so much. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It is a bright, sunny, beautiful day, but I want to be in the sun to show you something. You know, the wife really missed the tour pack, and she just came to me and said, look, you got to get a tour pack for that bike because I really don't want to ride it unless I have my couch. Okay, simple enough. Well, not so much. I called all the companies who do tour packs, and when I asked them about the color, they all said, yeah, we can't guarantee a color match on that. So I went through a couple companies, and I went to Harley Davidson. They said, yeah, we don't do that one. I said, well, you sell every other one. He says, yeah, but that one, if you get it with the Ultra, we paint it all at the same time. And so I started to figure, well, maybe this isn't going to be easy. So what I did was, I went to Brandon Harley Davidson. I said, who do you use for someone like who's got a wrecked bike and they've got to match the paint? And without hesitation, he said, Eric Warren. He's just the best guy there is, maybe in Florida. So I gave Eric a call, and I said, Eric, I can't find anyone who can match this paint. And he said, well, I'll do it. I said, okay. He said, let me order the bags, let me order the hardware, I'll just do it all, I'll take care of you. And boy, he did. And I'm about to show you real paint artistry, because this guy is amazing. And he does all the Harley OEM paints, but he's got a custom shop for bikes and hot rods, and he is really something else. And I want to take you around the bike and show you the kind of color matching he did. Okay, so what people are telling me is at least one of the tour pack manufacturers said, yeah, that's a 2-stage paint, we don't do that. And then someone else said, that is a 3-stage paint, we don't do that. And Eric said, no, they're both wrong, it's a 4-stage. He says it's not a candy color that Harley does, but it may as well be. And they only do these tour packs if you've ordered an Ultra. They'll do it all at the same time because it's the same paint batch, so they don't have to worry about matching it. And he said he's had to do one other one like mine with this color, which is Scorched Orange Silver Flux. And apparently there's so much metal flake in here and clear coating that no one wants to touch it. But look at that tour pack. And if that isn't the most perfect match, and he actually spent some hours on this thing. I know he didn't charge me full price for some reason, but that is one hell of a match. You can't tell it's not factory. And I believe he went to Hogworks. I think he gets some stuff from Advan Black, but I don't know if he's just got a better deal with Hogworks or he's got a better relationship. But I said, I don't care where it comes from. So I just let him do it. And those are my bars. I know you couldn't see them on the bar video I did, but there they are. All their glory. 12-inch. And there's one other thing I did. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it. That's my new shifter linkage. I advise everyone to change out that shifter linkage. You know, I don't think Harley's changed it since the 1960 panheads. And I've ridden with a lot of guys who really have had their shifter linkage break and get stuck. Here, let me turn you around. So now I keep one in my my bag, because I know somebody at some point down there in Biketoberfest, they're going to break it, and I'll have one to give somebody. I've been on several rides where somebody's broken it, but the design, they haven't changed it since the 60s, I think, and it's aluminum. It's got pour ends on it. I bought the Kuryakyn because it's all steel, and it's way better made. So I just wanted to show you that and tell you the little drama we had. But it's all done except for the trim on the tour pack, which I'm going to have CIRO 3D do when I get to Biketoberfest. So that's it. See you later.